On behalf of AccountMate and your authorized AccountMate solution provider, we want to thank you for your recent maintenance plan subscription. Our annual maintenance plans are our assurance to customers like you that we value your business and stand ready to continue to support our products. We applaud you on your decision to safeguard your investment in AccountMate software as one of your valuable business assets. Information related to your yearly AccountMate maintenance plan can be found in your AccountMate program by clicking the Help tab, then About AccountMate. It can also be found by logging into the Registered User section of the AccountMate website under the Support section. Staying on an active AccountMate maintenance plan ensures you get the most value from your software investment, today and into the future. Depending on your plan level, you'll enjoy exclusive benefits designed to keep your system optimized, your team supported, and your business running smoothly. You will experience upgrade savings, ongoing improvements, expert support, flexible training options, and many more benefits. If you have questions, please call your local AccountMate solution provider. Again, thank you for choosing AccountMate as your ERP software.